Hey there, got Google reviews for your business or any online reviews or testimonials? If so, here's how to make them pay with new ideas to improve your marketing. Let me explain what you're looking at here. It's a snapshot of 105 Google reviews from my favorite graphic design firm, Lacey Creative. See the words in that red box? It's part of a review that I wrote for Damon Lacey, and those words are very important, and I'll explain why in just a second. First, I said, Damon Lacey is a fantastic graphic designer. Working with him is like working with a full-blown agency, minus the drama and huge price tag. He knows his stuff. He takes the time to learn what you read. And I went on a bit further, but what can you do with that information? Well, a couple things. Look at that first line there, which is lightly edited from what I wrote. It says here, working with Damon is like working with a full-blown design agency minus the drama and huge price tag. He's an absolute pro who understands how great design fits into great marketing. Now, that would be a great addition to his website, a LinkedIn profile, or anything print as a way to describe his business. Now, that second line could be a tagline for his business. It says, like working with a full design agency without the hassle. Anytime you can promise a benefit without the hassle, you're going to get attention. And again, this is taken from just one of 105 reviews for Damon Lacey's creative design firm. And I spent about 2 minutes editing this and put it together. So we're barely scratching the surface here. And if you've got just a handful of great reviews, testimonials, or case studies, you're sitting on a gold mine of new ideas for headlines, taglines, even product names, all of which can grow your business. And this is part of a process I've used for over 20 years, which I call voice of the buyer copywriting. I hope you find it helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more marketing tips like these. And thanks for watching.